So long for now until we meet again. We're not leaving yet, but today we're gonna be doing my eyeshadow for the very humongous time. So I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. hydrating concealer, and I really love this concealer. This concealer holds me down, and I'm gonna be using this for my eyeshadow. I love this. This is really pigment on my eyes, and that's just something that yeah, it is. So I'm gonna be using this for my eyes, and I want to go for a dramatic look, guys. And I'm just gonna be using this, and I'm just going to lay this all over my eyelid, guys. Excuse me. Really excited right now. I don't know what's going on with me. It's kind of like I'm a happy girl today. Like, it's like, you know how you get that feeling where you just releasing all the stress and all the anxiety, and you're just feeling like you just had a cup of coffee and you're so excited. That's just something about me that I'm feeling today. So I'm just gonna be layering this. I'm just gonna put a little bit on because I don't want that much on my face. We're just gonna be patting this on. I'm gonna use my spongy, and it's already moist. I'm just gonna go in and pat this on my eyes just so it can get it a little bit of a smooth texture. And we don't want it to be like, you know, where the creases are. You know how when you lift your eyes up and you see like creases in your eyelids? We don't want that. So we're gonna try to pat this out as much as possible because we want it to be smooth and pretty. We don't want to see any type of creases or anything. So I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier setting powder for my eyes because I want it to be more like a no crease thing on my eye, and I'm just going to be setting this, and this is just something that sets really fast, and you don't want to put too much on there because we also need it to be smooth. So I already did my eyebrows because that takes humongous worth of your time. I'm gonna start off with, I'm trying to see. I'm gonna start off with My Man. I'm just gonna lightly pat this on. I don't wanna use too much because I just want it to be lighter at the top. And I'm just gonna smooth this out very lightly. I just want to go with a dramatic look, so it's probably gonna be like, you know, something that's pretty. I like to start all the way at the top of my eyes because I don't necessarily like to start in the middle just yet. Next, I'm gonna go in and probably darken this up with this orange here, and with the same color I'm gonna go in and use a heavy color right here. Probably use 3 layers of this to just pat it on because I really want it to be dramatic. Like, we have to be dramatic here, okay? So I'm just gonna go in and pat this on, because if you smooth this out, the whole color is going to literally be messed up and it's gonna shatter everywhere. You know how broken glass shatters? That's just how this gonna be. It's gonna be broken. And we don't want it to break. We have to let this stay on. So I'm just lightly doing it over in the middle. I'm gonna go back in and use my e.l.f. concealer, and I'm just gonna probably just cut my crease, and I'll be back with that because that takes a whole while. I'll be back. Okay, so now I went on and I think I'm gonna do this like this because I don't want it all the way red. I'm gonna go in and try to finesse this. I want to create colorful like things. So I'll probably go in and go back in with my orange. And this is my man. That's what it's called. It's called my man. So I'm gonna go in and use this one right here. I told you guys I wanted to be like more of a diva look, and I want to try to do this like this. It ain't showing up as much how I want it to show up. And I'm just patting this on there. So I'm not gonna use any primer today because if you guys know me, my face is so greasy. So after I get done with my makeup, I'm just gonna go over and use like probably an orange or a red or something and put it underneath my eyes because I think that that's gonna pop, like, you know, if you guys know what I mean. So I'm gonna go in and use my contour, and then with my contour I like to use Ruby Kiss, and this is something that I like to just go in and put this on first before I set my face with concealer underneath the eyes. I think this is more easier because it just gives me a say-so of how I want my concealer. If I want a cat eye concealer look, what do you guys think about my cat liner, or whatever you want to call it? I mean, what do you guys think? I scooted it up for you guys. I did everything. Somebody was like, why don't you just scoot the cat eye up so that we can see it on the eyeshadow? And I'm like, you right. You are right. I should do that. And I think I nailed it. What do you guys think? I'm done with the look. If you guys like it, make sure you guys comment down below. Make sure you guys are thumbsing up this video and subscribing to my channel. Let's get this video to a meal. I was going for that dramatic look, and I think I nailed it. And I was going for that like diva look at the bottom. Do you guys like it? Like, comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. So I'm gonna do more of my get ready with me's on camera, because sometimes me personally, I have to get out of my shell, and that's just something that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get out of my shell. We're gonna be doing this again really, really soon. So comment down below if you guys want me to do more makeup tutorials, and I'm gonna get back into the hair, okay? Don't worry. I like this. It kind of took me a while to do this because I was kind of scared, and I'm dramatic. Most of you guys should already know I'm dramatic, and I gotta have this type of thing where I need this to be really, really perfect. And I think I nailed it. I like it. I wish I was going on a date, but you know, say hello to the boys, because we don't need no boys, because we are on a road to 1,000,000. Yeah. So long for now to you, my friends.